Hey Piscatorians, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in eastern Washington fishing a new lake, and that is Lake Roosevelt. Here with my good buddy Lonzo. We're launching at Spring Canyon today, and we're gonna head east and hopefully we're gonna find some trout, and maybe if we're super lucky, some kokanee. I hear there's a few being caught, so we'll see how we do on this new body of water. Alright guys, so a little quick info about Roosevelt. You can keep up to 6 kokanee here, but 4 of them have to be hatchery. Only 2 can have that adipose fin attached, and then the trout, it's hatchery only. This morning we're going to be fishing the top 20 feet. We're going to do 2 rods with downriggers, show you what we're using as far as the setups are going to be. We have the Arrow Flash Dodger with the pink Piscatorian tube. We're gonna do a Gibbs Dogtail Dodger, which is kind of an orange and moon jelly color with an orange Piscatorian tube. And then coming over here, we're gonna top line a rainbow trout Lucky Craft. And then on the other downrigger, we're gonna do a pink fly that I tied. Hopefully we'll nab some kokanee with that. And on the top rods, we're going to be using the clearboard planers. So anyway, that's what we're doing. I don't know if you guys can see that there, but 40 degrees is the water temperature. It is dang cold here today. So far haven't had any bites, but we're gonna keep going, and hopefully we catch them. All right guys, we made a switch to a bigger Lucky Craft lure, and we finally got our first bit of action. Got Lonzo on the rod. He's excited.
Yeah.
That fish is jumping. Oh yeah. He's pulling the planer board underwater.
Where is the planer board?
Huh?
I don't see the planer
Yeah,
board.
I pulled it underwater. The fish is fighting. Keep your tip more to the side a little bit. Your rod tip a little angled. That way if he wants to run, the rod will load up. Nice, dude. Only took, what, hour and a half?
Yeah. What's going on?
Huh?
I don't know what's going on here. It was fighting really hard, and now.
Yeah, well, he's still there.
Oh yeah, I think so.
Coming closer.
Yeah, I see him.
Took the planer board underwater, which is crazy. Calm down with him now. Alright. I see the planer board.
Yeah, I thought that was a fish.
Planer board is a submarine. Oh, that's a nice fish. I can see him down there. Oh, that's a big one. Yeah.
Ah, this is good, man.
down. Why you got to reel down? He ain't even close. You got to get towards that planer board. We're not screwing up the net,
Look
John.
at that.
Oh, dude. Came off?
Yeah.
A little bit? God, that was a big one.
It was.
That was a monster.
Take him on, let him. I can't believe it.
Happens.
Yeah.
Oh, he high finned you. Hey, at least you battled him all the way to the boat, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, we just got hit. We just got a hit, but it didn't hook up. You got that much weight, you have a fish. Yeah. About time.
Oh, there's a fish. There's a fish right there.
Yeah. I can't see him.
In the net.
All right.
Well, it's not what we thought, but it's
That's a
good.
kokanee. All right, Lake Roosevelt kokanee, baby.
Oh.
Boom.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Well, guys, it's been a tough day here at Lake Roosevelt. We only had 3 opportunities, and thankfully we got one in. Lonzo got the first kokanee from Lake Roosevelt here in the boat. But it's about that time to hit the road. Some days are tougher than others, and they're not all you know, home runs. But we had a great time, and we're gonna fish a little bit tomorrow before we head back to the west side. If you guys like today's video, please hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button down below and hit the alert notification bell so you'll see what's coming up next. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and tight lines.